Hello students, today we will see the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, and here today we are going to see the example number 14, which is on page number 192, 192. Okay, this is one of the good examples, that's why we are going to do it. Okay, so here we have been given that we need to prove it that cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Okay, so we need to prove it. So first of all, what will we do? Let's see the left hand side, which is my cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A. Okay, so it's better to convert them into sine and cos. If something is in cos and sine, we will not touch it. If it is other than cos and sine, we will convert it. So here cot is other than sine and cos. Here cot is there, cos is there. I will not change the cos, but I will change the cot. Let's convert cot into the sine and cos. So cot is cos upon sine. So cos A upon sine A minus cos A. In denomination, again cot A, so I am again writing cos upon sine. So cos A upon sine A minus, it's a plus cos A. Okay, now we can see here in numerator you can find cos, so you can take cos as a common. Here again in a denominator cos A and cos A. So let's take it out. So cos A as a common in bracket 1 upon sine A minus 1, because I took out the cos A as a common, and in denomination same thing, cos A will be common. So in bracket cos is removed, so 1 upon sine A plus 1. This cos will be nullified, and we know that 1 upon sine A is cosec A is equal to cosec A minus 1, and denomination same, 1 upon sine A cosec A plus 1, which is our right hand side. Okay, so it was a very easy